I'm going to put this out and put it in the oven, and I hopefully gonna love to enjoy this when it's ready. Hopefully everyone gonna enjoy watching this, and you share it to people that you love. Look how beautiful it is. One each. Oh, so delicious. I can't wait to cook it. Thank you, God, for another beautiful, awesome day. Thank you so much. And hopefully you enjoy watching this. And when it's ready, then I'll show you. Come on, subscribe for more to grow the YouTube channel, and hopefully God will bless you in a way. Thank you, people, for following us, and God bless you. Stay in God's side, and thank God for all the food that we have in this. We love you, and God bless you always. Thank you. We have some more video coming, and enjoy watching, and we have to get some more video for you if you keep subscribe and shares our YouTube channel. Thank you for another blessing day. Thank you, people.